Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a quick look here at the brand new 2024 SolAire 163H hybrid travel trailer. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of wander through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. It's been quite a while since I have actually done a video on a hybrid, as a lot of them were discontinued during the COVID times and basically have kind of made a comeback now that the RV industry's finally slowed back down. So here we have, again, the SolAire by Palomino 163H. Let's step on up into the RV here, and then we'll come on back to the outside. So stepping up into your new SolAire, you're gonna have those heavy-duty steps with that little purple light kind of going on there, the Palomino logo. You got that large folding handle there. This unit, as you've seen on the floor plan that was up here, is a 2 sleeping area, one on the front, one on the back, no slide outs. Nice little dinette area. Kind of starting up here in the front, this is basically your front sleeping area. So it's kind of a canvas tent, and it has a little vent fan and light. There's also a heated mattress. That little blue thing laying there is the outside utility shower piece. But you have pull curtains. You also have drop-down flaps, so you'll have basically screens there on a good night. You could open those up and hopefully let in a lot of fresh air. The little sofa over here will make a bed, so you could sleep an extra guest here. There's some storage underneath of that sofa area as well. There's also an electric outlet and heat outlet down there. You have deep tent windows, roller shade blind, and some overhead cabinet space here as well. A little bit of storage space up top there. Little roof vent up there as well. Couple speakers also up there. Over here you're going to have your dinette area. So this will also make into a bed, so you could sleep somebody here if you needed to. But basically a little 4-person dinette. Nice large window overlooking the campsite or awning side of the RV. Some more overhead cabinet space, a little TV area right there. They have that 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt Everchill refrigerator. You do have full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. You're going to also have a either hanging closet or pantry area. Those shelves are removable, so you can kind of do what you want with it there. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down below that refrigerator. You do have the Greystone oven with the glass front, the light up knobs, the flip up and down cover as well. Traditional microwave, hood range light and fan, Jensen stereo system. The unit has a ducted AC system. You have really nice solid surface countertops in here as well. The unit has a tire pressure monitoring system on it. This is a great safety feature here. High-rise sprayer faucet, undermount sink with the strainer covers. Another nice size window there overlooking that awning side. Some storage here below your sink area, and a couple more drawers there as well. You got some storage below your back bed here, and again a heated mattress, has the little light and fan that stretches out over the top here. The unit also has an outside griddle, the way this one was ordered, with the little work table. I did not set that up, but that's what's in that box right there. Restroom wise, you have an okay size restroom here. So there is a porcelain foot flush toilet in here, a little bit of counter space here, some storage underneath the sink, traditional medicine cabinet. You have a large turbo exhaust fan right there. Over here you're going to have skylight up above. There is AC duct in there as well. ABS tub surround, pull across curtain, but basically a step-in shower. But overall, for a camper that comes in under 21 feet long and under 4,000 or under 4,100 pounds actually, This thing is packed full of sleeping capacity with a lot of great features here. All right, now stepping back outside here, you do have your traditional screen door and entry door, and this also has that pull up and down Lippert thin shade you hear me talk about all the time being optional. Well, it actually is in this one. It's also prepped for a Wi-Fi thing that you can add on aftermarket as well. You have two outdoor speakers. Look at the shine on that fiberglass. It's got a really nice high gloss fiberglass exterior instead of the cheaper Phylon stuff. You have a nice size power awning here with a couple LED lights, one on each arm, adjustable arm for tilting. There is a decent size pass-through storage compartment right here. You have motion lights in here, a couple little crank handles. This one was ordered with power jacks also. So you got a little push button right here with the flip up and down lid cover controlling these front power jacks. There again is a gas line hookup right down there. And there is also hot and cold low point water drains down there as well. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. It has the electric outlet and cable outlet here, so you could do a TV hookup here if you wanted to. Nice aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. This is on the Dexter TourFlex independent axle suspension. Very nice upgraded axle system here. Nice to see them still using that. A lot of brands have gone away from that to save a nickel and money. You also again have an area right here. This is the track where you would hang that grill and that little table go right there. There's also a little mount right here where you could hang that TV if you wanted to. You got the stove exhaust vent up there as well. Again, rear power stabilizer jacks. Does have a little 2-inch hitch receiver on the back of the RV right there. That is meant for like a little luggage rack or bike rack kind of thing. It is not meant to tow anything with. However, you know, nice little area there to throw your bikes on there when you're traveling. You do have, again, a spare tire on the back 4-inch square tube bumper. It is prepped in the top center up there for the Voyager camera system. You're going to have a little light right here, allowing you to kind of see what's going on over here at night, because you're going to have your dump area right here for your gray and black tank, also hooking up your power cord here. You have a cable and cable and satellite hookup here. Down here's the black tank flush. And then right here you have an extra adapter here for solar. So you could plug in a sort of portable like solar blanket thing, plug it in right there, and then kind of move it around with the sun. So if you're trapped underneath some trees or something at your campsite and you're boondock camping kind of thing, that would be kind of cool to be able to just kind of move that around to keep some juice in your battery. It's prepped in the top corner up there on the right for a portable ladder. God, it's been a long day. It's prepped up there for a portable ladder by Lippert, also the stow and go ladder that you can get aftermarket. But it's pretty cool. It kind of telescopes up and down, just kind of keeps the kids from climbing up and down on and off there when you don't really want the ladder out. Down here, you're going to have your furnace exhaust, your hot and cold outside utility shower, your gravity fill freshwater tank, and city water inlet. You can see down below there the freshwater tank drain. And you're going to have right here on this side the light switch for one of the front lights. You're going to have the battery disconnect here. It is also pre-prepped for an in-command center, which is a really nice system you can do and control some stuff with an app on your phone. And then you also have your solar charge controller right there for the solar panel on the roof. On the underhang right here, you are going to have the metal diamond plate down low. You got two 20-pound propane tanks with the hard cover. You have the power tongue jack as well, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy-duty safety chain, 7-way Bargman wire and plug. And you also have that breakaway cable with the little carabiner thing. And I like the fact that they use the little coil cable, so it's not just dragging the ground. Now what actually happens when you're actually going down the road, these beds fold up and close up. So when it's all closed up, you can't sleep on the beds. However, you could still sleep on the couch or the dinette, but you can get in the RV when traveling and use your restroom. You can, load groceries in your fridge and do all the basic stuff that you need to do, except for sleeping in the beds when it's closed up. So very cool, nice, compact, affordable SolAire 163H hybrid travel trailer. Check them out at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Should definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks for checking out my video, as always.